right, bird scientists, we've been thinking a little bit about migration. And what migration is when a bird or an animal moves from one part of the world to the other. And there are different reasons why it might do that. So today's activity for you has to do with one of the reasons that an animal might move. And it has to do with certain physical adaptations that may or may not help it survive the cold. So for this activity, you're going to need a few things. You'll see in a minute, but you're going to need a bowl that has water and ice in it to make a really cold pond or water source. You're also going to need either rubber gloves, or I didn't have rubber gloves, so I'm going to use a plastic bag. And I have this stuff here called Crisco, and it's sort of like butter. It's called shortening. Your parents might have it, but they might not. If not, you can use just a plain old paper towel, and you'll see how this goes. So in a minute, you're going to meet a bird, and this bird is an American robin. Say tweet, tweet.
Tweet, tweet.
Did you hear that? There's an American robin over there. And right now, it's spring, but it's getting colder and colder and colder. And there's only so long this bird is going to survive. So I'm going to introduce you to the bird right now. Here it is. Tweet.
Tweet.
All right.
Tweet.
So the bird, here is the bird, actually. There it is. Hi, birdie. Are you starting to enjoy the winter? Say not so much.
No.
All right. So this is an experiment where this little birdie is going to see how many seconds it can stay in this frozen pond before it gets so uncomfortable that it has to come out. We're going to count the seconds and we're going to write it down. How many seconds can it do it? Then we're going to give it an adaptation that a penguin would have. And we're going to see if it can hold it even longer. All right. Are you ready? On your mark, get set. Go. Okay, I'm watching the timer for seconds. How's it feeling?
Cold.
Cold? How's it feeling now?
Cold.
Really cold? You can move it around a little bit. Get it in the ice. Swim around, little birdie. Swim into the ice.
Oh, that's
okay, let's see. So far we're at 14 seconds.
Only 14?
Yeah.
That feels like it's been for a
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Do you give up? 7, 8. Woo! 29 seconds. And this is one tough little bird. So, would you like an adaptation that might help you withstand the cold a little bit better?
Definitely.
All right. This bird says definitely. We're going to use a different finger. We're going to use the finger on the other hand for this. So we're going to scoop out some blubber. Blubber is a layer of fat that might go under the skin. And we're going to just spread it on that bird.
Weird.
Yeah, it does feel weird. But you're going to be pretty glad you have it. We need it all around. All around. So here. Turn your finger. And remember I said if you don't have this, you can wrap some clay or Play-Doh around your finger, or you could wrap, if you don't have your clay anymore, if you lost it or used it for things, you could also use a paper towel, just something to wrap up your finger. All right. So now I'm going to put this layer of skin over, and I'm just going to put that like that. All right, little birdie. So this little birdie, the robin, kind of wanted to fly somewhere warmer and migrate. This little birdie, let's see what happens. Are you ready? Okay, put it all the way in the deepest, coldest part. Okay. How do you feel so far?
Great.
It's been 4 seconds. Feeling anything yet?
A tiny bit.
Swim through the ice. Let's see. Swim all the way. Don't get any water in the bag because that'll change it. Any pain?
No.
Yeah? Not it? Go over here by the ice. I saw a fish down here. Catch that fish. Catch that fish. We're already up to 20 seconds. I'm not going to show you how this ends because I have a feeling this bird could last all winter.